Okay, right, guys, I wasn't planning on doing this video today. I was planning on doing the strategy that Catherine follows. However, because one or two years still struggling with scalping, and there is a reason for this, guys, and it's nobody's fault. It's just the way it is. Okay, but sometimes momentum is delayed, or it comes late, or there's a delay with that getting to us via the satellite. There's a couple of seconds delay. So today I'm going to show you how you can get your easy, absolutely easy peasy 5-pip trades. I don't know, 10 times a day. It's very easy, guys. You've just got to look for the signs, and I'll show you. This is what this video is all about. It's showing you how to read the signs, okay? And basically it's how Hugo and BR trade. But I mean, I would suggest you go with the golden ticket. So you just go with the golden ticket. So if it's saying up, you're just taking your trades off the 5-minute orange line. HABB bands up. But I'll also show you that virtually every single move, if done correctly, will give you a 5-pip win. Okay, every single move. That's what I was trying to get at on Friday when I came on, to tell you to have a look at your own moves, right? Because every move will give much more than 5 pips. Okay. Right, so I've got a couple of recordings. It's not going to be a mega video, this, guys. It's going to be a short one, but again, we're just going to have a look at a couple of recordings here. So first of all, let's have a look. We'll use number 95. Oops, get back to the beginning. Okay, right, so again, we've come in the room. What you see here, yes, we are before, a few seconds before 9 o'clock here. So let's just get to 9 o'clock. Right, 9 o'clock. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show you. You've got BB band flip up here. Your trend is up. This signal did its job, broke the 8-hour BB band. So you should be thinking up, right? But again, for this kind of trading, you only need the trend on the 1 and 4s. You don't really need the trend here. All right, because you're after 5 pips, and it's unbelievable how easy it is to get 5 pips. You see this move on EG here went for more than 5 pips. Against that move, it went for more than 5 pips. This wick here down went for more than 5 pips, and that's on the EG. On the GJ, that would have been 10, 15, maybe even more pips. All right, so you would have got a win in there. But again, I'm not saying that you should be trading every move, okay, but you can. Okay, and just to highlight on the GU here, we've said, we've had this big move down, right? But you see this move here, it hit 5-minute orange line. That move there, you see that move there, right? Well, that went from about, I don't know, 36 down to 19. That's where it went to, 19. So if you just hit that straight away, that'd have won before the momentum even flash red. Okay, so again, this, you can use momentum for this. You can use momentum in another way as well, by it not flashing. Right, when it's not flashing, it's telling a story, trust me. Okay, and I'll show you that in this now. Okay, so again, here's a move. This will win for 5 pips. Okay, it will win for 5 pips. It'll go more than 5 pips. I'm not saying you should take it. You should, if you're going to do it right, you should have been thinking, right, this is going back up now with the trend, so let it come down and I'll take it up off the 5-minute orange line. Or again, it's not just about 5-minute orange lines. You can look for 15-minute orange lines, anywhere basically, an orange line or a BB band. You're on the 5-minute BB band here on the EG. You're on the 15-minute orange line. It's highly likely, right, that this signal now will bounce. Here's another thing as well, guys. You see HA yellow and this isn't flashing against it, take it. You know, take it. It will give 5 pips, and it's just a matter of that not flashing against you. It doesn't need to flash green, right? So I've let this go now. I really need to fast forward. Doesn't keep letting these things go. But anyway, you see the signs to look for: wicks, HA, and when a candle, you see how this one candle here, again I'm going to pause it, you've had this candle, but you see how this candle is coming inside this candle. That's another sign. You don't have to wait for it to close to take that down. You could have been in, because that is coming inside the width of this candle. It's a sign that price is going. And as I've said, every single move up or down gives more than 5 pips. You need to go and have a look on your own 5-minute charts on any session. Go back in time, any session, back test. This is what I was saying, right? And look at each 5-minute move off a 5-minute orange line, or a 5-minute BB band, or a 15-minute orange line, or whatever. Correlate it, and you will see that those moves go for more than 5 pips. Okay? And you know, again, you look for things like the wicks here. It's wicking, plus this is coming inside. Just watch. I'm not saying you should take this. You know, the golden ticket says up, in my opinion. Although you are, you know, pretty much below here, but it was this BB band flip up, and the fact that you had this move up already, you know, above on the 5-minute, right? But, you know, I'm not saying just take this, but I'm just proving the point that even if you get this wrong, and you hit it straight away without waiting for momentum, it's not flashing against the move down. This is like a recoil. You know, you've got you move, and then it's a pullback, then it'll move again, and then it'll pull back. And as I said, you know, the pullbacks will give 5-pip moves. Again, look, you saw it on the UCAD here. Look, 15-minute orange line. Look, that yellow bang, it's already won. Look, 15, 24. If you hit that straight away, that trade's won. Okay, the GU was at 41. Okay, you waited a little bit because it was still pushing up. When it stopped flashing green, you got in because this candle was coming down here. That's won. Even though, you know, you probably shouldn't be taking it, it's won. Look at the, what do you call it, the EG here. That yellow 50, alright, it's the EG. Right, this is the GJ, that's a, you know, that's one. But again, it's a 15-minute orange line. Look what it did. This hasn't flashed green yet. You know, and it shot up. Okay, you know, it's working against it. Here's the other thing, guys. Right, I'm just going to pause again now. Here's the other thing. Right, MT mentioned that if you take a trade and momentum flashes against you, just close it. Just close it. Okay, what I would suggest is you don't let it go any more than 5 pips against you. Okay, because as I show you in this recording and on the next, right, they're at 10, 20. Excuse me. 10 or 20 trades a day, and this is pretty much as mechanical as trading can get, scalping can get. Okay, so you just don't let it go more than 5 pips against you, and you close your trade and take a small loss and then wait for the next settle. Okay, but this again here, guys, this is one, you know, and that's just the pullback. It's one. So if you got this wrong, thinking, oh, it's going to go down again now off the 5-minute orange line, even though it's gone through it a bit, and you took it, it's one. You know, you should, in my opinion, now be looking for up, because you're on the orange line from above. You think it's up because of what we saw here. I don't know, it's just a reaction there, this. Okay, the pullback. Okay, look for the signs again. See this? This is a sign. When it starts to wick, when the next candle, okay, opens or starts to move inside the previous candle, okay, or when that candle changed colour, it might have been a small red to start, but then it went green, bang, just get in. There was no momentum here, red, well, one at one point there, but there was little or no momentum, right, and you've won the trade. Okay, these are the signs you look for. Okay, this is why you go on BR, rack up hundreds of pips a day. Alright, so now you're looking for the signs on the GU up. So we're watching here, we're watching here. Okay, if it starts wicking here, or this starts wicking, or if this candle comes inside here, or even DX momentum, we can't go in on red momentum. That's, you know, the one thing we can't do. You see how late the momentum was, guys? You'd have won your trade there before the momentum turned up. Okay, but look now, see how it's wicking? Right, so that stops, that disappears now. Take the trade up. Look at the wicking here. Right, now watch this, new candle here, if it starts going inside this candle, just take the trade up. Okay. Right, you see it's pushing up a bit. Right, take it. Take it up, look, there's a bit of a wick here. Look, take it up. Right, I'll say we were in at 33 on this, even though, you know, I would have been in pretty much earlier than that. Okay, so let's fast forward. Momentum well late. We would have won that trade there, right, probably before the momentum flashed, because we were only after 5 pips. Alright, and that's just reading. Here, again, you have that one there. You know, again, you could have set on this EG here, it went back there, but once that candle changed colour, this is what JS picked up on, guys, you know, when the candle changes colour there, you were on the 5-minute orange line, okay, and you could have got in way before these started flashing. Okay, so this is all you do, you look for the little signs that say, okay, I'm going. Excuse me. Okay, even this pullback that we pointed out here before, look, 15, it went up to about 25. So if you'd have hit it straight on that HA yellow, it'd have won, right, before, it's won virtually straight away. Okay, so this is all we're doing, we're looking for the signs. Okay, so you had another pullback here. So we'll let this come back, right, and we'll look for the signs again. Might let this one run in real time actually. A little bit of a wick there. You see how the candle here is pushed inside this, the width of this candle here. Okay, alright, still red at the moment. It needs something to say it's going off. You're on the 5-minute orange here. Actually, you know, this is a 30-minute orange line bounce. Look, again, that one, if you took that, it would have won. I'm looking at the GU up here. This candle's pushing up a bit. This is what we want. You can, of course, wait for momentum when you've got, you know, set up. This is red at the moment, you can't take it. So when that stops flashing, it just stops flashing, guys. You look for the signs. Yes, you're going to have to focus. I'll tell you that now, you're going to have to focus on the charts, but if you're serious about making yourself, you know, a very wealthy person, you're getting 50 pips guaranteed a day by just doing this for a couple of hours. Well, you know, again, look, this candle is inside the other candle. Yes, it's red here at the moment, but I'm not worried about that. We want a sign. Pushing up a bit there. It's not flashing against us anymore. It's not flashing red. Right, yeah, it's flashed. You have to wait now. Again, doesn't need to flash green. It just needs to not flash red. Looking, come on, give us a sign. But again, even if you got this wrong, guys, and you thought, all right, I'll take this down, it actually, 43, 52, it's a 9 pip move so far, so it probably won. You probably got a 5 pipper in there. Right, starting to wick a little bit on this candle here. Yeah, you know what? That candle's inside red momentum on the DX. I'm in on that. Okay, we're in on that. On the fact that the DX flashed red. Right, should we just fast forward a little bit? It's still mucking about, but it's not gone against you at the moment. So they are starting to go now. You can see it. Okay, and okay, it did eventually flash green, and again, that's one. That little trade there is probably one for 5 pips. What's saying 40 there? So it might have been about 42 to 48. Yeah, it's won. It's already won, guys. And you preempted the flashing green momentum. If you want, you can wait for it. Because you were going with the flow there. You can wait for it. It's entirely up to you. But I'm just showing you the little signs like wicks. Candles changing colour, the jazz cross forming. You don't have to wait for a jazz cross to close. If it starts forming, you can take the entry early because you only have to 5 pips. Bang! It's probably one here. This one probably won here. This one, look, did hit the BB band, but it probably won way before that. Okay, but you are going to have to focus to watch for these. The signs. Again, there it was the fact that this little candle here turned green. And the good thing about the HA charts now, guys, is you haven't got that yellow line in there. You've just got the orange line, which makes them a bit clearer. Okay. Look at this one here on the GCAD. You had a pullback here. There, can you see it? Right, but look at it there. It went. And look at the candle change colour. Yeah, red, and then it went green. That one. That would have been your entry. You just said, okay, get in before momentum here. Bang! Look at it. Now again, 30-minute orange line. Back on the 5-minute orange line here. You probably just got plenty of momentum there, guys. So you could have just taken that based on the momentum. Right. One other thing. I'm going to pause again there. 5-minute BB bands. Now it's entirely up to you. This BB band slip down here, hits this is going to win. 5 minutes. It's going to give 5 pips. It's up to you whether you take it. Entirely up to you whether you take it. Right? Some of you might say, no, I'm going to just stick with my flow. But because it's, as I say, you only have to 5 pips, it will give 5 pips. Okay, I'm going to have to speed up, guys, because this will take forever on this one recording. Okay, so you're looking now for the signs here. I personally would want a HA yellow here now, right? But even if you don't get it, the chances are it's going to give you 5 pips. Okay, you might want to wait for momentum on this. It's entirely up to you guys, but look, it's already dropping here. Just to prove a point, look, outside 5-minute BB band, bang, that's already won. It had won before the momentum was flashing. We'll watch this one as well. Yeah. Okay, if this candle comes inside, or if the next one is inside the width of this candle, we'll take it. Again, oh, and let's just point this out as well. I'm going to pause before we go any further, guys. Talking about the Catherine setups, right? It's very, very, very simple. She looks for trend. She would say this was uptrend, and she looks for a 1 hour orange line or a 1 hour BB band, and that would have been her entry there. And 53, it's already 73, it's already 20 pips, and that's the EG, guys. Imagine the GJ there, that's a 30, maybe 40 pip move. So she's already won her 1 trade a day there, and that's it. The one thing she won't do is go against a daily super like that. So, I mean, even looking at this as such a strong downtrend, she might have actually, but she did tell me that she doesn't go against daily supers. But this trade down here is probably one for 20 pips anyway. 41 down to 17, maybe a bit lower. Yeah, so that would have won for 20 pips anyway. But she did say she doesn't go against daily supers. Okay? Alright, let's get on with the show. Again, here, look at this, guys. You had a wick on the 5-minute candle here. Look, it hit the BB band here. But a wick was shown on the 5-minute. Take it, bang. Won. Won. It's already won. You know, you've got your trade in there. GU momentum well late again. You were on the HABB band. I didn't notice if this changed colour beforehand, but, you know. Let's say then, well, that says 45, so let's say you got in late and you were in at 46, okay? It was 53, so I could say 47 if you wanted, but so we're looking for 41-ish. It's 42, 41, bang, trades won. Trades won, went down to 39, I think I saw there. Trades won. Your trades won, and all you did was you looked for the BB band. You didn't necessarily wait for the momentum. Now I'm going to pause again here. Didn't necessarily wait for the momentum. Okay, if you'd have waited for the momentum, you might have been in a bit later, right? But you look for the signs up here. HABB band. This little candle here might have started going red before, you know, you know, before it moved. It might have been a little bit of red, but you had a wick here, and you were on the 5-minute. BB band, look, bang. Okay, so, alright, again, you didn't have to trade that. You could have waited this out, and you're now looking to take it up. Okay, because you bias, you were biased up with the long-term trend. Perhaps, you know, the 8-hour signal there, yeah, I'd still say up. Okay, so start looking for the signs. But again, you know, when you've got a strong bias or a strong trend, guys, you can wait for the momentum. Look, but look at it going up here now. Already just reacting off the 5-minute orange line. Wick showing there. Okay. Look, watch this candle now. It goes inside the width of this candle here. I'm going to take it. These are just the signs to look for, guys, and if if you look for these, you can preempt the momentum. And I know that the Wolfman and Hampton in particular have been having a bit of problem, you know, with late entries. That's probably why they're losing. So maybe, you know, you two in particular, just try this. Okay, I think you'll find at the end of the day you're going to get 50-60 pips easy doing this. Oh, look. Pushing up, you can see it pushing. Come on. Right, new candle. Pausing it there. What are we on? 42. I'm in. Look, started going green as well. That says it's going green. So I'm in at 42, because that candle closed inside this one, and this one here was then, you know, inside that one. I mean, I know it's on 5-minute orange line, but if this flips red now, I might close it. Or I should advise you guys, you might want to close it, but you know, I would have left this to go because it looks up to me. Excuse me. So what if say we was in at 42, guys? Dying to fast forward. Look, we're only at, like, you know, I don't know what we got here so far. You had your one trade here, didn't we? 2, 3. We might have took that. If you didn't take that and you're taking this now, it could be 4-0 already in the first 20-25 minutes. What did they say? We was in at 42. It's 46, 47. They are. It's won. It's won. It's already won. You're 20 pips after 20 minutes. right? And that's 20 pips at a grand a pip. You see where I'm coming from? That's 20 pips at a grand a pip in 2 months' time, at the most. You could just close up now. You've made 20 grand today. You see where I'm coming from, guys? This is all you look for, the signs. You don't need these to flash in your favour, right? But what you don't want them doing is flashing against you. Now, this very simple mechanical sort of way of looking at the charts, right, will negate, you know, the delay that we have with the momentum. All right. Okay, just get your golden ticket. I mean, even, as I've shown you here, guys, even if you get your golden ticket set up wrong, as long as you look for these, you're going to win. Each one of these pullbacks here went for more than 5 pips. So, you know, if you'd have seen the sign, bang, it probably, highly likely, it would have won, even though you got it wrong. Right, 5-minute BB band again, here now. Right, look, see that little pullback straight away. Right, if this doesn't flash green again, take it. Well, again, if you know, if you want to do the mechanical kind of trading, take it. If not, you're going to have to wait for it to come back and then take it up again. Okay, but I will flip through because, as I say, we're getting, it's going to end up mega video this. And again, and there you go, look at the reaction there. Let's have a look, what was it, 53 to 45? You know, even, as I say, even if you took that, it's already won. You've already won. You've got your 5 pips in the bag. You know, it's just crazy. Each move, every move will give you 5 pips. You've just got to look for the signs. Use the BB bands. Use wicks. Use the jazz cross. Use the change of colour. Use the momentum. Again, that's, you know, definitely one now, guys. Definitely one. But again, now you start thinking to yourself, well, okay, I'm still biased up. I'll take it up. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, so HABB bound. Start looking for the signs again. This candle here. If this starts going inside, we'll take it up. Okay, it's red momentum we can't take. As yet, needs to not flash against us. Come on, let's have a quick look, because I've got a really, you know, I could do this through this entire video, guys, and you would just see, you know, how much it wins. Look, it's going up now, can you see? We want it inside here. It comes inside this, we're going to wallop it. It just shows you how easy, guys, it is to get 5 pips. Look, it's coming inside here. This doesn't flash red, we're fine. And we haven't really had one that's gone against us yet, have we, guys? So, you know, I can't really show you an exit when one's going against you. Right, the red, so you can't get in yet. You've got to wait. You can't. These have got to stop flashing. They don't have to flash green, but they've got to stop flashing red. Okay, this is what trend trading basically is all about. When this is like trying to push, this is pushing the car uphill, whereas the trend, you know, if you just let the brake off, that's what will happen. Right, so look, again, looking good, this, guys. Stop flashing. I tell you what, let's take it. Even, you know, if it does go against us, I'll show you what to do on the exit, right? Okay, so we'll take this now at 39, and I'll let this run. 39, 40, it's a pip up, or ish. There you go, 41, 2 pips up already. Flash green. 42, 43. Come on, one more pip and it's all over. 33 again. Green 44 was in at 39. It's won. Your trade's won, and look at it, it's hardly got going. Guys, you know, this is what I mean. It's just look for these little signs that give you, you know, before that momentum there, and that was before, way before the momentum. Okay, so let's have a look and see how it actually finished. Yeah, easily won. Guys, easily won. You know, right, just to point something else out again, you see this one here. You know, even if you took this by mistake here, right, that's showing it went to 72. Right, that looks like the 80 there, so it might have been 79 to 72. So that little move there, even if you got it wrong, but you just got in because it was on the HABB band outside 5 minutes. There was a blue there, would have won. You know, this is what I'm saying, guys. It's so easy to get 5 pip trades, and what have we done here? Well, let's just have a quick recap. Okay, we took this one up here, didn't we? 1, this one, 2. I'm not sure if we took that. I think we did 3. You didn't have to take that, but we did take that. 4. We didn't take this one, but we did take that. You're 5-0 in the first half hour. You're 25 pips in the first half hour. You know? You see where I'm coming from, guys? It's just so easy, right? So I'm going to flick forward through this now fast, just to show you the trick, the actual how it traded there. Look, HA yellow, bang, down, 5-minute BB band, winner. HA yellow, oh look at this wick, and then the next one starts wicking, bang, in. It's already won. That, the whole move there was over 10 pips, about 12 pips, so you would have got 5 pipper in there. There you go. Definite. And the next one again. Off the 5-minute orange line. This here, probably won. Right, 5-minute BB band. Probably going to win. Well, I'm not sure if that there, but it's not the point. The point is you were looking for that off the 5-minute orange line. So when it came back there, bang! Look, it's already won. This is, you know, if you just look for the signs, you don't necessarily need momentum flash for you, but what you don't want, I've been saying this for a long time now, what you don't want is it flashing against you. So we never once had a trade there go against us enough for me to say, right, get out, did we, guys? Alright, and what, we're in 10 o'clock, the first hour there, and I'll bet you're already 7 or 8-0. You know? You could have taken that. Let's have a look. Yeah, well, yeah, you had blues, if the blues were there. You know? But if you didn't, wait for it. Wait for it up again. And actually be looking for the up now, look for the signs. So let's see if we've got any. Oh, God. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Sign here. Take the trade, so you're in at 50, well it says 54, so let's say we're in at 53. So let's see if this one, bang, won. It's already won, guys. It's already in the bank. Your 5 pips are in the bank at whatever, £1 to £1 a pip today, £2 a pip tomorrow, £10 a pip by the end of next week, £100 a pip by the end of the month, £1,000 a pip by the end of the following month. Right? You honestly, guys, judging from what I've seen here and how I've just shown you there, you know what to look for, and that you're looking there at probably 40-45 pips. You you know, a grand a pip there, you're 40 grand a day. You know, and you don't have to just stick to the one pair. You can say, well, okay, I don't like the GU setup here, even though it's perfect. Let's have a look for another one. Oh, GCAD, look at this. Oh, look, candle change colour. Bang! And you know what, this will give more than 5 pips. But, you know, you might want to just stick to it until you get winning, and you'll see things differently then. Like this momentum, you might have been open TP eventually. Open TP on it, and, you know, it's like, oh, I've got 10 pips, hey! It actually went 17, that. You can see there, 67 from 50. Okay, so that was recording number 95. I'm going to do another one. You don't need anything more after these two guys, because all I've shown you is the signs to look for so that you can get in before momentum. Which one was it? Number 64, I think. Let's get back to the very beginning of this, and I'll do exactly the same again. Okay, right, let's have a look. Okay, GU's down, EG definitely up, trending up, and again you can see a sign there. Look at that one. Look, inside, you'd have got him before the momentum there, because it wouldn't have been green momentum if that turned red there. You know, so he was well in before the momentum there. Again here, look, you had this one, it's wicking, then you had this little green candle inside. That's your entry. Bang, winner there. Okay, it comes along here, changes colour here. Bang, that's your entry. You know, oh, right, let's pause. Look at GU. Here's the thing, guys. Here's another thing. You can go both ways when you've got a system like this. Trend strong, well, yeah, strong down on these two. Golden ticket number 1. Right, so you're looking for up here. Let's look for a sign here. You're on the 5-minute BB band. Let's look for a sign. Starting to go green here a little bit. Green momentum there. Right, there it is. Look at this coming inside here. This candle coming inside. After a strong move like that, you might want to wait for momentum. It's entirely up to you guys. You've got a golden ticket number 1 here. Okay, so you might want to wait for momentum to flash on this one. This is green. If that turns red, then that's basically these will go green. Okay. I'll tell you guys, you've seen that in the last recording there, how easy and how quick 5 pips wins. You know, and if you know this is going to happen for you 10 times a day, it's a guaranteed, absolutely 100% guaranteed 50 pips. If you do that all week, how long do you think you're going to keep, you know, upping your lot size? How often do you think you'll keep upping your lot size? You know, okay, so we're still waiting. It's no good at the moment because, as I say, this, you know, is a strong move. We can't get in with red momentum anyway. We need, I think, for this to kick in, we need red. You know, we need a flash of green momentum on this one. This is just, you know, you've got to think of the move, guys, and it's like, it's still pushing against you, so you can't just dive in now. You've got to wait. I know, alright, we've got a sign now. A bit green. Stop flashing. Let's have some green for this one, because it's the first move of this golden ticket number 1. Just use a bit of common sense, guys. I'm going to have to fast forward. Come on, just give us the flash. Here's the flash, baby. We're on 73, are we? This, you see, this, now I'm like, yeah. Okay, I'll tell you what, we'll get in 74, because even if it does go against us, this is what I remember. I can show you the exit. Look, it's not flashing down, it's not pushing down anymore. Right, so 74 we're in at. 76. One. Started with the signal and maybe the fact that that was in there. We didn't wait for momentum. We got in because, you know, it wasn't flashing against us. But look, it's already won. You know, now you can be thinking down here again. I mean, personally, I wouldn't now. I'd be thinking, right, okay, just the ups with this. But you can, because the chances are it will give 5 pips, because it's quite a strong downtrend on, you know, on the LTs. I'm pretty sure it will give 5 pips. In fact, I'm 100% sure it will give 5 pips, guys. Because as I've said, you know, earlier on in the video, every move gives more than 5 pips, and what you need to do is check on your own. Like I said, do the some back testing on your own charts and just see. Look for your smallest 5-minute candle. Check what the high to the low was on that. But then, even if it says like 6 pips, right? Then look at the move, because the move will involve the candles before. It will be, you know, the highest wick on the candle before to the lowest wick on the candle after. You know, and that's the actual move. So, you know, most times they go, you know, 10 plus pips. So it just shows you that 5 pips, you'll get 5 pips in there. It's just a matter of getting in at the right time. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward here. You know what to do now, what to look for. And there you go. I think that's probably already 187 to 80. It's already won. Let's say you were in a bit late. Well, that's saying 78 there. Right, so even if you go in at 85 and that's saying 78, it's already won. You know, even that mistake there, taking that down against the golden ticket number 1, won. Okay, so now you're looking for up. Look at the BB band here again. You watch for the signs. Wicks starts to wick. Yeah, you get the jazz cross forming, or you know, a different colour HA candle. That's what you're looking for. Okay, let's see what happened. Well, there you go. Look, see, the jazz cross formed. Look, wicked. Let's go and have a look. Oh, gone a bit too far, I think, there, but either way. There you go. That's one. Well won for 5 pips. So straight away, you know, you come in the room, you're like 1-0, 2-0 after 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And again, you don't only have to use the GU. You might see a better setup here. You might see a HA yellow on the 5-minute BB band. Here, you know, and just take it. Like this one here. HA yellow, it was on a 5-minute BB band. Look at it. Guaranteed winner. This one. Smaller candle forming inside off the HA BB band. I think it was this wick here. Look at that. Bang. You know? So again, we'll flip through and I'll just show you, you know what to look for now. Again, look, you might have said, okay, fancy this down, this little jazzy cross formed here. Bang. It's already won. And this one here, look, the candle. Green inside the red. Look at that. That's one. Off the 5-minute orange line. Just make sure you've got, you know, an orange line or a BB band, a HA yellow, or one of these. And they're your triggers. They're your triggers, basically, you know, with your momentum. If you don't want to wait for momentum, just you're using momentum in a silent way. MT sort of like brought it up last week about the sleeping momentum, and this is basically the same thing. You're just letting the quiet momentum tell you that it's not going to go against you. Okay, because you only have to 5 pips. You'll be surprised how quick 5 pips wins. You know? Oh, again, that was a lovely move there. Anyway, but look, now you're on the 5-minute BB band. HA yellow, take it. Even though these are minus, right, they haven't flashed red, so take it. Just watch this. 1. You know, it's 1. 69, 76, it was higher than that. It went to about 78. Maybe the 5-minute only line might even go higher than that, and it's still flashing green, so it's definitely 100% 1. GCAD. Sorry, UCAD, look. 5-minute BB band. What did we have here? This candle just coming inside this one. We've got momentum. It might have been late, but 1. Okay. You guys see, you know, it's so easy to get 5 pips, guys. And another thing, 5-minute yellows are definitely going to give 5 pips. So you see a 5-minute yellow, look for a sign there. Bang, 5 pips. Winner, 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 winner. And I'll tell you now, guys, your confidence after winning 10 trades at 5 pips every day for a week will go through the roof, and you will have no problem you know, upping your lot size every day. Seriously, guys, this, you know, it really is easy to get 5 pips. Look at MT scores. When was the last time MT lost a day, guys? And this is basically all he's doing. Look at that GU, guys, now. Look at it. You know, and sometimes, like I say, I wouldn't advise you to do this straight off. Let's get you winning first, but, you know, sometimes you might want to go open TP here until a sign appears against you. You know, but let's get you winning first. Let's get you getting these 5 pip, 50 pip a day wins. Okay, just one other thing for those of you doing, you know, other types of trades, Darwin, Mayer, Ashes. I think you're using the 15-minute charts as well, aren't you, Catherine? Don't change what you're doing. Hans, you know, don't change what you're doing. Okay, carry on doing that, and then when you've got your other trades in, have a play on this on the demo. Okay, because this works on every single market. If we get a Christmas Day, this would work. You know, this would work on Christmas Day. Okay, so don't change what you're doing. Just, you know, demo it if you want to have a try at it. But this is like so easy to get 5 pips, guys. You know, it really is. Okay, let's fast forward. I'm getting a bit doodah here, aren't we? Oh, I missed that one off the GU there. Look, it's on the 5-minute orange line. This is what I mean about going both ways. Look, 5-minute orange line down here. Let's have a look what we had. Yeah, this candle inside this one. If not, the jazz cross there. And then look, candle change, colour, bang, down, winner. Look at this. HABB man. This candle inside here, that's your ticket. You're right on the 5-minute orange line. That's your trigger. Bang. Momentum. You know, could have been late. Winner. Okay? And this is all it is, guys. And, you know, I'm not going to go through this again. Look, 5-minute BB band here. Right, look. There's 2 wicks here. Bang. It's already won. It's already won off the 5-minute BB band there. Or has it? Let's have a look. 68. 76. So it's an 8-pip move, so you would have got 5 pipper in there. Okay. We'll have another look at that. Yep, still on. Come on. Could you have taken this one? You could have. 5-minute orange line, trends down. Look, went to the 5-minute BB, definite winner. But again, up. I was just going to say again, up now, and look, bang. You know that. It looks like it was a very quick move, that. But even so, if you'd have just said to yourself, 5-minute BB band, I'm getting in, bang. You know, it won it within a second or something. But again, as I say, you know, keep an eye out for the HA yellows. And again here, look, you know, look, you know, this candle inside this candle, the red candle, but look at the wicks, wick, woomph, winner, 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 all day long for 5 pips, guys. And you know, I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll get right to the end of this video, and eventually, you know, you can see them here, look, winner, even this move down here, one, that move up there, one, that one, even though you perhaps shouldn't have been taking that, you know, that one, that one, that one, that one. The only place you might have lost a trade was here, because you might have thought, oh yeah, it's going back up again now. But again, you know, you would probably finish the day there about 14-1, 15-1, if not more. Again, 5-minute yellow, definitely going to give 5 pips. Bang. Okay, hits the orange line here, comes back, another 5 pipper there. Back on the orange line here, another 5 pipper there, 5 pipper there, 5 pipper there. Right, and there would have been signs on the HA chart, or there would have been wicks, you know, there would have been momentum. And again, guys, it's so simple. Again, look at the UCAD here, look, back to the 5-minute orange line, bang, winner, back to the 5-minute orange line, bang, winner, back to the 5-minute orange line, bang, winner. So on and so on and so on, and virtually every one of those moves there would have given 5 pips. Okay guys, so that is basically all it is. Just look for the signs and you can get in before momentum. Okay, but again, you know, if you want to wait for momentum, that's entirely up to you. I would advise, you know, when you're turning price around on, say, a 5-minute BB band, then maybe, and you know, after a big move, then you've got to wait for momentum then. But you know, when you're just going with the flow, or you're just going on a range in daylight, you know, I've shown you on the 2 videos there, then looking for the signs, looking for a Jas cross forming, looking for a HA yellow, looking for wicks forming on either the 5-minute chart or the HA chart, and using the silence of the momentum, you know, to your advantage, will help you with this. Alright guys, okay, so as I say, that'll have to do. Yeah, I mean, when I think about it, guys, I wasn't going to do this video, but I saw, I know Hampton's been struggling, he's sorted himself out a bit now, but I know that Wolfman was really struggling. So Wolfie, maybe this will, you know, help you just to try and get in before momentum actually flashes. You know, just look for those signs. Okay, mate?